If you are considering living abroad for a couple years and you're thinking, you know what, I'm not going to pay for my Medicare Part B because I'm not going to use it, I'm going to live out of the country, stay tuned while I talk about it in this video. If you are going to be living abroad, my first client that did this, her daughter had a baby in the Dominican Republic, and she goes, you know what, I'm just going to move there and be a grandma. And she did that for like 3 or 4 years, and then she decided, based on a lot of situations going on down there, it was safer for her to go back to the States and try to get her daughter to move up here. Well, if you stop paying for your Medicare Part B, once you're eligible, and you're not working for an employer that's giving you group coverage that has over 20 lives, so you're already retired and you're like, I'm not going to pay for it, you will get a penalty. It's 10% for every 12 months that you were eligible that you did not have it. And that penalty gets big fast if you're gone for a couple years. This lady called me and she's like, okay, get me signed up for Part B. I can't just do it any time of year. An agent can only re-enroll you in Medicare Part B during the first 3 months of the year. So she had to wait till January, and then it doesn't start right away. It wouldn't start until July 1st. And she called me like in June. So it was almost another whole year before I could get her back into insurance. And she had the penalty. And you'll have a Part D late enrollment penalty. So my advice, if you are going to be living abroad, you're going to be out of the country, living, keep your Medicare Part B. It's going to cost you $150 or so a month to keep that Medicare Part B, but consider getting a Medicare Advantage program. Talk to us. Based on where you live, there might be a Part B give back plan, a Medicare Advantage give back that gives you back. I know a lot of plans give you back $70 a month in 2021, so that could help defray the cost of that Medicare Part B. Yes, your Medicare Advantage is not going to work overseas, but it might be able to give you $0 coverage in place if something bad happens overseas, that you might have to be medevaced back to the US. Boom! You have your Part B and you have coverage. And believe me, I've had clients live and travel all over the world, and the best advice I can give you is don't give up your Part B. And if you can, enroll in a Medicare Advantage program so that you do have that drug coverage. So you're not also building that penalty on Part D, your drug plan, for not having drug coverage for that time. If you or someone you know is going to be living overseas, typically you are missionaries, please call us and let us help you walk through this before you make the mistake of giving up your Part B. Or if you think, I'm never coming back, because things happen that require you to come back, and it's typically health related, that you need the best care in the world, which requires you to come back here. Thank you for watching our videos. My family is here to help your family. Ask us in the comments below if you have any specific questions on this topic. Call us, email us. It never costs you extra to talk to us or work with the live agent.